Hello everybody, my name is Kathy, and in this short video today, let me know that you can start work and build yourself a successful business online. The amazing Pure Leverage Insiders build up the training and live community platform where we meet, we learn, and we have a lot of fun. I'm so happy to be a part of it and the web team. I can understand about marketing, how I set up my funnel. I can believe how easy that has been, and now we've got the VIP training program. I mean, it is just amazing. I'm so excited about that because I see the possibilities, what is possible. Since the time I joined, personally sponsored three people that week using the swipe copies they were provided and making them my own. Join our team, became part of it, work online and do it with our team support. Thank you very much to listening. Great to meet you. Bye bye.